Imagine you're floating safely in your spaceship, gazing out at the serene beauty of the cosmos, lulled by the infinite peace of the universe. But don't let this tranquility fool you, because out there, hidden among stars and galaxies, are cosmic horrors so intense, so powerful, that you wouldn't survive even one heartbeat in their presence. Buckle up, my cosmic adventurers, because today we journey through the 7 most terrifying cosmic events you wouldn't survive even 1 second. First, let's dive into the merciless embrace of a gamma-ray burst, the single most powerful explosion known in the universe. Imagine an energetic jet erupting from the collapse of a massive star, releasing in just seconds more energy than our sun will emit in its entire lifetime. If Earth got caught in the beam of such a burst, it would strip away our atmosphere instantly, boiling oceans, vaporizing the surface, and eradicating all life in a heartbeat. No warning, no negotiation, just instant obliteration. Next up, welcome to the horrific chaos of a neutron-star collision. Picture 2 stellar remnants, each packing a mass greater than our sun, into a space no larger than Manhattan. Their cataclysmic dance ends violently, merging into a single black hole and unleashing gravitational waves and intense gamma radiation. Were this to happen anywhere close to Earth, space itself would ripple violently, shaking the fabric of reality and reducing our world to dust quicker than you can blink. It's a cosmic train wreck you'd better hope never comes near. But if that doesn't chill you enough, consider stepping near the voracious maw of a black hole's event horizon. Imagine a gravitational pull so powerful, not even light escapes. If you fell feet first toward a black hole, you'd experience what's called spaghettification. Sounds funny, right? But it's a gruesome fate. Your body stretched and shredded atom by atom, instantly transforming into a stream of particles, feeding the cosmic beast. Time would slow, reality would warp, and you'd vanish, gone forever, faster than your neurons could even signal pain. How about something even stranger? The inconceivably violent eruption of a magnetar flare. Magnetars are ultra-magnetized neutron stars spinning furiously in space, their magnetic fields billions of times stronger than Earth's strongest magnets. Occasionally, they flare up, sending bursts of X-rays and gamma radiation into space. If our planet were unlucky enough to lie within striking distance, our atmosphere would ignite instantly, the sky turning to fire, vaporizing life before anyone even realized what was happening. You wouldn't even finish a single thought. Now let's heat things up further with the unstoppable fury of a supernova blast wave. Imagine a nearby massive star ending its life in one final spectacular explosion. This cosmic firework lights up galaxies, briefly outshining billions of suns. But beauty here masks death. The resulting shockwave races outward at thousands of kilometers per second, scorching planets, obliterating atmospheres, and sterilizing life in the blink of an eye. If our sun's nearest neighbor exploded tomorrow, life on Earth would vanish before you could whisper, supernova. Next, let's plunge into the unimaginable chaos of the quasar beam. Quasars are the blazing hearts of galaxies, powered by ravenous supermassive black holes devouring entire stars. Their accretion disks emit jets of radiation so fierce they stretch millions of light years into space. If our solar system drifted into one of these deadly cosmic blowtorches, Earth would become toast in an instant, vaporized by a beam brighter and hotter than trillions of suns. Not even a whisper of life would survive. Finally, picture this: a head-on collision with a relativistic jet from an active galaxy. Imagine a galaxy's core erupting with plasma beams, traveling nearly at the speed of light, tearing across intergalactic space. Striking Earth, this jet would unleash energy equivalent to billions of nuclear bombs, vaporizing oceans, ripping apart continents, and turning the entire planet into cosmic debris in a fraction of a second. Instant annihilation. No chance for goodbyes. These cosmic catastrophes remind us how fragile our existence truly is, yet how breathtakingly spectacular and terrifying the universe can be. Keep looking up, my friends, but always remember, the cosmos is as ruthless as it is beautiful. Continuing our cosmic roller coaster ride, let's venture deeper into the universe's dark side. Events so catastrophic and mind-bendingly intense, survival isn't just unlikely, it's impossible. Consider the nightmarish power unleashed by a hypernova, the grandest and most violent form of star death imaginable. These cosmic monsters are the collapse of ultramassive stars, hundreds of times more massive than our Sun. Picture this: a single hypernova emits as much energy in seconds as an entire galaxy radiates over billions of years. A shockwave from such an event, if it occurred even remotely nearby, would tear Earth apart, molecule by molecule, atomizing our planet and leaving nothing behind but scattering cosmic dust. Now imagine confronting the universe's deadliest wind, the cosmic tempest known as pulsar winds. Pulsars spin at dizzying speeds, hundreds of times per second, blasting out charged particles at near-light speeds. Step into the path of this cosmic hurricane, and every atom in your body would instantly disintegrate, blown apart by magnetic storms, millions of times stronger than any earthly cyclone. No refuge, no protection, just instantaneous obliteration in a cosmic sandstorm of unimaginable ferocity. Let's move beyond the stars and picture encountering an antimatter collision. Matter and antimatter are cosmic twins, nearly identical but deadly incompatible. Should Earth ever collide with even a modest asteroid-sized chunk of antimatter, the annihilation reaction would convert matter instantly into pure, lethal gamma radiation. Our planet would vanish in a flash of energy, brighter than billions of suns, vaporizing into a shimmering mist of cosmic photons. Faster than your nervous system could process, your entire existence would cease. And then, imagine stumbling into the titanic fury of a white hole eruption. The theoretical opposite of black holes, white holes spew matter and energy outward at impossible velocities. Getting caught in this unimaginable outburst would rip you apart at the atomic level, instantly scattering your atoms across billions of kilometers. No escape, no mercy, just instantaneous cosmic disassembly. How about a sudden encounter with vacuum decay? Think of it as the universe suddenly changing its fundamental rules without warning. A quantum shift, spreading at the speed of light, rewriting the laws of physics themselves. In its path, every atom, every molecule, indeed every particle, would instantly collapse into a lower energy state, erasing all structure. Earth, humanity, even galaxies would vanish instantly into quantum oblivion, leaving nothing behind but emptiness. You wouldn't even know what hit you. Existence itself would just blink out. Then there's the mind-boggling scenario of a cosmic string encounter. These hypothetical, infinitely thin structures, formed from remnants of the early universe, could wield gravitational fields capable of slicing entire planets clean in half. If Earth drifted too close to such a string, the gravitational shear alone would tear our planet apart faster than you could register the sight, neatly dividing it like cosmic cheese wire. Or picture the catastrophic arrival of an interstellar rogue planet, hurtling through space with no star to guide it. One direct hit, and Earth wouldn't merely break apart, it would explode into molten fragments instantly. There's no gentle warning here, just immediate planetary demolition at incomprehensible speeds. Our universe, endlessly fascinating and magnificently terrifying, is filled with forces and phenomena that remind us just how delicate and rare our existence truly is.